This video is called YouTube for Morons. Essentially, there are a lot of people out there who don't know what YouTube is, and they make stupid comments on my videos. So this is an educational video that I can use to reply to those people who have been less fortunate in the intelligence area and show them what YouTube is. There are three categories of idiocy. 1. The video is not professional, high-budget studio quality. 2. I talk in a video titled Vlog. 3. In one video that they are watching, I am not riding a dirt bike. First, YouTube is a place where anybody can upload a video using any equipment that they have. This ranges from cell phones, to cameras, to video cameras. Since anybody can upload a video, that also means the majority of the content here is done by amateurs. So if you're expecting an HBO quality series, you should probably just go watch HBO. Secondly, most videos on YouTube are people talking. There are entire channels where mostly people just talk and don't do anything else. A video with the word vlog in the title means video log, where people will simply talk. There's a play on the old blogging, where people will write about experiences now, and now they talk about them. They may also show things in their vlog, but mostly people will talk directly into the camera. A lot of YouTube is simply that. Lastly, the video you are watching is likely not the only video that I have uploaded or that anyone has. So if you're looking for a dirt bike riding video, then this is how you would find it. You can click on the channel name and go to videos. You can even search the content. There are more than just one video available, and a lot of videos from my channel are riding, and there are some talking. So I hope that this helps you to figure out how to use YouTube before you make yourself look like an ass.